oversleeping na ako. I'm so overstimulated. Pagod na ako. Girl, parang na-overstimulate na ako sa dami ng information na pumapasok sa utak ko. Nasa Starbucks kami now kasi magre-review kami.
Pupunta daw sa SM yung family.
Ay, wag ka na sumama. SM gusto, review ayaw. Hanggang gabi na kami dito, guys. Mika?
Yes. Ito ang gusto sumama.
Habol ka na lang sa kanila, girl. Ito yung setup namin for the next couple hours. Tapos guys, nag-order lang ako ng grande. Pero binigyan ako ng Fenty.
Sorry, shareholder.
Nepo baby. So, may ano siya, may privilege siya. So, thank you sa privilege mo. Time check, it's currently 6:50 p.m. and pagod na ako. Girl, parang na-overstimulate na ako sa dami ng information na pumapasok sa utak ko. Nandito na kami since 1 p.m. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 hours straight. Tapos yung break namin, take 15 minutes lang na chismisan in between. And nasa cardiovascular disorders pa rin ako. Sila tapos na, Hema and Cardio. Parang kiniquiz na lang nila sarili nila. Sige nga, go. Basahin nyo yung isa.
Dun sa sure time.
Dali na.
Nitroglycerin helps relieve angina mainly by dilating coronary vessels and decreasing preload.
Period! Period, honey. Ako nandito pa lang sa pericarditis. Oh my gosh! Good afternoon. So it is our exam day today. We'll be taking nursing research and also community health nursing too. And hindi ako nag-review. Pero I'm hoping na easy lang yung exam kasi the last time we took it nung prelims, easy lang siya. Puro BNC, girl. You know it's AI. If you know, you know, you know. And then after that, we will go to a coffee shop para mag-study. I will be with Wilbert and maybe Jasmine ata or Jude. I'm not sure, pero sure na magpiprimero kami ni Wilbert and probably mag-all-nighter kami. I don't know kasi MS na tomorrow and yun yung pinakamahirap na subject namin today. I mean this sem. So that's why. I finished my exams and it's currently 4 p.m. Kakain muna ako bago kami pumunta sa coffee shop ni Wilbert. So, nagluto ako ng broccoli, stir-fry. Yung mga sagot ko sa exams, girl, puro ano sila? Puro A, B, C. Walang E at all. As in, sa 100 items. Yeah.
Feeling ko kasi, Chuya. Parang may magandang feeling.
Ba't nagre-relapse ka?
Ay, sorry. Hindi. Oo nga, no. Kala ko wala na, pero pag nararamdaman mo ulit.
Oo. Kasi hindi naman linear yung healing eh. So it's okay. Nasa coffee shop kami ngayon, magre-review.
At magre-relax.
Wait lang. Tingin. Kapag ito, normal.
Normal.
Oh, opposite.
Oh, opposite yun.
Tama.
Respiratory opposite.
So, kung ito normal, ano siya? Fully, partially, or uncompensated. Kapag pH is normal.
Fully.
Fully, tama. Time check. It's 9:52. Nandito na kami for 5 hours. And super sleepy na ako. I'm so overstimulated that even my lipstick gives me sensory overload, girl. I had to remove it. Say hi to my mom. Laging pinagkakamalang kuto daw sa lips ko yun. But anyway, I'm trying to look for Quizlets. Saan ka na?
Doon sa part na iniwan niya.
Laro ka, te. Ang oras kaya tayo uuwi? Naantok ako. So, baka mag-order ako ng second coffee. Americano this time. But anyway, break ko muna. 10 minutes. Start ako ng 10. Guys, 4 coffees and 9 hours later, ayan, tapos na kami. We're going home. Thank you, Primero.